And that's one you got to back out of there and get away from really quick. You don't want to keep
Ready?
the door closed. And that gets to be a dangerous situation, so don't get in that. They're in here because this is an elk calving area.
Ready?
And they come in here to kill the elk.
Okay, we're gonna sing now.
That's steak and mashed potatoes to a bear.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jessica. Happy birthday to you. Blow out the candles. You gotta blow.
They play a game of hide.
You better blow harder than that.
For the cat, it's life or death.
Blow one more time.
Grizzlies at home deer hunting.
Yay!
Unsure of what to do.
How old are you, Jessica?
Now they anticipate where elk will calve and search in a pattern.
How old are you?
Faintest scent.
13.
Let's let Amanda serve the cake.